Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Compliance Corner with John Hanson. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, which normally would be tax day, but it's not right now. It's not until July 15th, so we just kind of a normal day, but not necessarily a normal topic. I'm here with my wonderful friend, John Hanson. John, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Awesome. I love that. Okay, so you have a really interesting topic for us today. It's the Form 35R and repairs, and talking about how our agents might be breaking the law. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so the law, as it stands with this quarantine and shutdown of interactions and really business and commerce, has some exceptions, and one of the exceptions for that is for us as real estate professionals is well, there's several exceptions that we have, but one of them that we don't have is construction. So with construction, with repairs, the only exception for repairs is not one that involves our real estate profession. It is one that involves the safety or integrity of a structure that becomes necessary. And so if we're dealing with the Form 35R and the repairs that are to be done, really on the face of the law, it just can't get done. It has to be delayed until after this thing passes. But if there is a safety issue or a structural integrity issue, then between the seller, the owner of the property, and the contractor who had come in to inspect it and look at it and give an estimate on it, if they themselves, without the real estate agent's input or anything else, if they themselves make the decision that it is a safety issue or a structural integrity issue, then they can proceed and have it done. But if that real estate agent tries to frame it or put them in a position where it's assumed it's going to be done, all that kind of thing, that the real estate agent could be putting themselves in a position of breaking the law, because the real estate agent cannot be a part of that decision. That is something between the not inspector, the contractor, and the owner, and they make that decision as to whether it's a safety or structural integrity issue, and then they can go ahead and do their thing. So we've got to be, really careful as real estate agents. We've got to be really careful not to do what we may have done in the past, which is oftentimes to, push it through, get the contractor in there, get the thing lined up, get those things done. And we just can't throw ourselves in there like that anymore, at least during this period of time.
Well, that is great advice, John. And I know most of our agents don't even think about that right now. And so it is so incredibly important right now that we're keeping abreast of all of the legal complications that come with the stay home and stay healthy directive. This is just another one of those things that we have to be constantly vigilant of what our responsibilities are as real estate brokers, what we can and we can't do, because we don't want to be breaking the law.
Right.
Absolutely. All right, John. Well, thank you again for this really fantastic update. It always is keeping our agents informed and very legally compliant. So we appreciate that so much. Hope everybody has a fantastic rest of your day, and we will see you tomorrow.